So take us through the parts of Wall Street that are already undergoing this transformation and the ones that are just on the cusp.
Right. So the idea behind this series of stories is that everybody knows automation has been taking over a lot of the lower paid jobs in America and around the world, retail, manufacturing, and also some of the support functions in white collar jobs, some of the technology functions, some of the data functions. What we were really eager to explore was how some of the highest paid jobs, some of the jobs where the people are literally making millions of dollars in some cases to do these jobs, are increasingly under threat of automation. And that's jobs like trading on both the sell side and on the buy side, meaning hedge funds, asset managers. So everybody from the portfolio managers who's making decisions about what to invest in, to the order taker on the trading floor, to the legal department that's determining whether that swaps document is valid or not. There are technologies now that are able to do a lot of those tasks, and while it's not clear that they're going to be able to do all of it, I mean, it's still a very early stage. This is being actively tested and rolled out at Wall Street firms around the world, really. And what I would say is that you're already seeing examples. I mean, one obvious example is when you look at hedge funds, is Renaissance Technologies. We've talked about this before. This is a hedge fund that's basically using technology to make incredible performance over years.
So sell side, buy side is one way to divide up. Another way is by asset class.
Sure.
I mean, people have said equities are a lot easier than debt.
Right.
Because there's so many different kinds of debt and there are covenants.
Sure.
You have to read the agreements. Is debt essentially behind equity in terms of automation?
Yes. Well, I mean, because equities are traded electronically, so obviously the more electronic component there is to a business, the easier it is to collect the data electronically and to run algorithms and machine learning on those trends. It's not always perfect. A fixed income, because it does tend to be more bespoke, and especially things like securitization, which is more complicated, that is further behind. But there are technologies that are taking some of the complex tasks out of the requirement for human beings to do them. And down the road, we'll see how much more they can do.